Hi students, welcome to today's class. In today's class, I will be teaching two sums. One is question number 16 and question number 17. That is how to compute the new profit sharing ratio and the sacrificing ratio. So first we will do question number 16. I will read the question, just listen, then we will move to the sum. Question number 16, page number 177. Mala and Anita are partners sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 3:2. Mercy is admitted into the partnership with 1/5 share in the profits. Calculate new profit sharing ratio and the sacrificing ratio. Yeah, now listen this question carefully. This is totally different. So far what we were doing, this is completely different from the previous sums. Okay, so two partners are there, Mala and Anita. What is their old ratio? Their old ratio is 3:2. Now Mercy, a new partner, she is coming inside the business for 1/5 share of the profit. 1/5 share of the profit. So you have to understand it clearly now. What does this say? Listen, whatever is the profit, suppose the profit is 1 rupee means in that 1/5. So whatever is the profit keep it as 1 rupee. In the profit 1/5 in the profit. Okay, the word in is given there. So what you have to do, you have to keep the profit as 1 rupee. From that you minus and you will get what? 1/5. So that subtract whatever you are getting, that will go to the new partner. The remaining will go to the existing old partners. Okay, so we will do the sum now. Old ratio of Mala and Anita is 3:2. That is 3/5 is to 2/5. Let the total profit be 1. Keep the profit as 1 rupee. The Mercy is the new partner. Okay, Mercy's share is equal to 1/5. She is the new partner. So whatever is the profit, in that profit 1/5 share will go to Mercy. Find the remaining share. Remaining share is equal to 1 minus 1/5. So remaining share will be 4/5. This is the formula. New share of the old partners is equal to remaining share into old share. So first find for Mala. Mala's what is the remaining share? Remaining share is 4/5 into what is Mala's old share? Old share is 3/5. So 3/5. So multiply 12/25 for Mala. Next find for Anita. Anita's remaining share is 4/5. Old share is 2/5. So that will be 8/25. Okay, next share of new partner. Who is the new partner? Mercy. Mercy's share is 1/5, but here we have the denominator 25. So here to get 25, multiply by 5. If you multiply the denominator by 5, the numerator also multiply by 5. So that will give you 5/25. So new profit sharing ratio of Mala, Anita and Mercy, all three of them, is equal to 12/25, 8/25, 5/25. That can be written as 12 is to 8 is to 5. So this is the new profit sharing ratio. Now what is the sacrificing ratio? You are asked to calculate the sacrificing ratio. But in this question you see what are the things you need to calculate sacrificing ratio? Nothing is given there. Okay. Share sacrificed is not given, proportion of share sacrificed, that is also not given, and the new profit sharing ratio also is not given, nothing is given. So what you have to do, you have to assume that the old ratio is the sacrificing ratio. In that ratio only they are sacrificing. So the sacrificing ratio is equal to the same old ratio, 3:2. Understood, children? Previous sum, the share sacrificed was given either, or the proportion of share sacrificed was given, or the new profit sharing was given. Nothing is given. So you are assuming that the old profit ratio is the sacrificing ratio, that is 3:2. Okay. So now in this question, old ratio is given, old ratio only is assumed as sacrificing ratio. Okay. And then what is given? The new partner's share is given, Mercy's share is given, but what Mercy is doing, whatever is the profit, in that profit he is going to take 1/5. So let the profit be 1. We don't know what is the profit, keep the profit as 1, calculate the remaining share. So Mercy's share is 1/5, remaining share is 4/5. This remaining share has to go for both the old partners. So the formula is new share of the old partners is equal to remaining share into old share. Use that, calculate the new profit sharing ratio, and your sacrificing ratio will be same as the old ratio. Okay. Hope you understood, children. Question number 17. I'll read the question. Just listen. Question number 17, page number 177. Ambika, Dharani and Padma are partners in a firm sharing profits in the ratio of 5:3:2. They admit Ramya for 25% profit. Calculate the new profit sharing ratio and sacrificing ratio. Here 3 partners are there. There are Ambika, Dharani and Padma. What is the ratio? Old ratio. Old ratio is 5:3:2. So they are admitting new partner Ramya for 25% of the profit. Whatever profit you are getting, in that 25% will be given for the new partner. Only these two are given here. First write what is given. Okay. Old ratio of Ambika, Dharani and Padma is 5:3:2. That can be written as 5/10, 3/10, 2/10. Ramya's share of profit. Ramya is a new partner. Ramya's share of profit is equal to 25%, or this can be written as 25/100. So that will give you 1/4. So Ramya's share is 1/4, 1/4. Whatever profit, in that 1/4 must go to Ramya. Okay. Again, we don't know what is the profit. So let the profit be 1. Okay. So find the remaining share. Remaining share is equal to, profit is 1, 1/4 will go for Ramya. So the remaining share will be 4 minus 1/4, that will be 3/4. Remaining share is 3/4. Again use the formula, new share of the old partners is equal to, what is the formula? Remaining share into old share. Okay. So find for Ambika. First to find for Ambika. Ambika is equal to, what is the remaining share? Remaining share is 3 by 4. What is the whole share? 5 by 10. So that is 15 by 40. Next to find for Dharani. For Dharani, what is the remaining share is 3 by 4. Whole share is 3 by 10. That will give 9 by 40. Next to find for Padma. Padma, remaining share is 3 by 4. Old share is 2 by 10. So that will give 6 by 40. Next, share of new partner. The new partner is Ramya. Ramya share is 1 by 4. Here all the denominators are 40. So bring it to 40. So multiply the denominator by 10. If you multiply denominator by 10, numerator also you must multiply by 10. So that will give you 10 by 40. New profit sharing ratio of Ambika, Dharani, Padma and Ramya is the ratio 15 by 40 is to 9 by 40 is to 6 by 40 is to 10 by 40. So that can be written as 15 is to 9 is to 6 is to 10. So if you add all this, you must get 40. 15 plus 9, 24, 24 plus 6, 30, 30 plus 10, 40. So then your answer is correct. Okay. See here also in this question also, share sacrifice is not given, proportion of sacrifice is also not given, new profit ratio also is not given. We are only finding out. Okay. So what we have to do, how to calculate the sacrificing ratio? The old ratio has to be taken as the sacrificing ratio. So your sacrificing ratio will be sacrificing ratio is equal to, what is the old ratio? 5 is to 3 is to 2. Okay, this is the answer. Okay. Hope you understood, children. Thank you.